Have you ever walked into a room and felt underconfident or not enough? या कभी किसी और ने आपको डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली ऐसा फील कराया हो? Or for years you kept fulfilling all kinds of expectations around you and ultimately in that process forgot yourself? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Dear Unconventionals. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, and the unconventional movie for today's episode talks about self-respect, self-worth and basically ये story है अपनी value पहचानने की. Movie का नाम है English Winglish, which is directed by Gauri Shinde and features the legendary late Sridevi in the lead role. Very quickly for the ones who haven't seen the film yet, here's the plot. शशि एक सिंपल इंडियन होममेकर है जो घर संभालती है, बच्चों का ख्याल रखती है और लड्डू बनाती है. And yet उसकी फैमिली उसकी वैल्यू नहीं समझती.
My wife, she was born to make laddu.
I'm sensing this might be sounding familiar to many of you out there. Moving on, घर में शशि सिर्फ एक हाउसवाइफ है और क्योंकि उसकी इंग्लिश वीक है, लोग उसकी इंटेलिजेंस भी जज करने लग जाते हैं. I've noticed दुनिया में लोग अक्सर लैंग्वेज और इंटेलिजेंस को कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं, जबकि दोनों में एक्चुअली कोई ऐसा रिलेशनशिप है नहीं. Anyway, during the course of the film, what happens is that Shashi has to go to the US to help her widowed older sister prepare for her niece's wedding, and so she goes there ahead of her husband and daughter. Now, what I'm about to tell you, imagine it, okay, for yourself. You land in a completely new country. You're alone. Everything around you feels unfamiliar. और फिर एक सिंपल सी चीज जैसे कॉफी ऑर्डर करना सडनली डिफिकल्ट लगने लगती है. There is a scene in the film where Shashi walks into a cafe and struggles to place an order. And honestly मुझे लगता है उस मोमेंट में प्रॉब्लम कॉफी ऑर्डर करने की नहीं थी. The problem was feeling invisible, feeling small, feeling like everyone around you is operating in this world where you don't belong. And that feeling, it's universal. Because most of us have had our own version of that cafe moment. Maybe not because of English really, but maybe because of, say, appearance, or our accent, our financial background, our age, our qualifications, या फिर simply because someone made us feel that we weren't enough. And that's when Shashi decides to secretly join an English-speaking class.
I, Shashi, from the India.
No, Sashi, not from the India, from India.
Now, if you've never watched the movie before, you might think this is going to become one of those typical stories, no, where the hero learns a new skill and then ends up proving everybody wrong. But honestly, that would have been the boring version. Because English Winglish is not about English. English is just the excuse. The real subject of the film is self-respect. And there is a huge difference between confidence and self-respect. Most of us think confidence comes first. But guys, confidence is often the reward, not the requirement. Self-respect and action come first. You respect yourself enough to at least try. You take action despite being scared. And confidence is what shows up later. It follows, as they say. Think about Shashi in this scenario. She doesn't wake up one morning feeling confident. She doesn't suddenly become fearless. She simply takes that first step. She joins the class, she shows up, she struggles, she learns, she keeps going. And somewhere along the way, confidence catches up. I think इस lesson की हम सबको ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि हम हमेशा इंतज़ार करते हैं, इंतज़ार confident feel करने का. Confidence आपकी journey का result है, starting point नहीं. Now, here's something even more interesting that happens in the film. Shashi was never incompetent. Let's look at the facts here. She runs an entire household. She manages finances, she runs a successful laddu business, people place orders for her products. आज की भाषा में आप उसको entrepreneur से कम नहीं बोलोगे.
Sashi, you are an entrepreneur.
Yet, because she struggles with one skill, everyone assumes she's not intelligent. Imagine reducing an entire human being to that one weakness. And unfortunately, ये हम अपने साथ ही नहीं करते. Knowingly या unknowingly अपने आसपास के लोगों के साथ भी करते ही हैं. One rejection and suddenly we think we are unlovable. One failure and suddenly we think we are incapable. One weakness and suddenly it becomes our entire identity. You know what the tragedy here is? The tragedy is not that people underestimate us. The tragedy is that one day we start agreeing with them. And that's where the real damage begins. One of my favorite moments in the movie is not when Shashi speaks better English. It's when she starts carrying herself differently. एक subtle shift आता है उसके अंदर. She stops apologizing for simply existing. वो हर second validation seek करना बंद कर देती है. उसे अपनी worth समझ आ जाती है. And once that happens, something changes. Mind you guys, the external world around her hasn't changed much, and nor will yours actually. But her relationship with herself has. And that's what you need to do as well. Change your relationship with yourself. Don't try to change the external circumstances. Towards the end of the film comes the iconic wedding speech. And what I love is that Shashi doesn't use that moment to show off. वो ये प्रूव करने की कोशिश नहीं करती कि वो कितनी फ्लुएंट है, ना ही उन्हें एम्बैरेस करने की कोशिश करती है जिन्होंने उसे एम्बैरेस किया है.
Nobody can help you better than you. Your life will be beautiful.
बल्कि वो बात करती है रिस्पेक्ट के बारे में. हाँ, हर रिश्ते को प्यार की ज़रूरत होती है, पर उससे भी ऊपर मुझे लगता है हर रिश्ते को रिस्पेक्ट की ज़रूरत भी होती है. I think that speech is the heart of the film. Not because of the English, but because of the dignity. The dignity every human being deserves, including the person who works behind the scenes, including the person nobody applauds, including the homemaker, including you. Your worth is not determined by the thing you're weakest at. Because if that were true, every single one of us would feel inadequate today. The real question is, can you see your value before the world sees it? Can you respect yourself before everyone else starts respecting you? Can you appreciate what you bring to the table instead of obsessing over what's missing? Because the moment you do that, something shifts. You stop trying to prove yourself and start becoming yourself. And maybe that's what English Winglish was trying to tell us all along. कि आपकी self respect आपको दुनिया नहीं देती, वो आप ही खुद को देते हो. And once you do, everything else starts changing too. So do go back and watch this movie. I think it'll help a lot of you guys out there. If you enjoyed this episode, do share it with someone who constantly underestimates themselves. And before you go, I'd love to know, what's one quality about yourself that you think you don't give enough credit to? Let me know in the comments below and we can chat. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. See you guys.